Hello and welcome back to another English lesson. Have you ever needed help while speaking English? Maybe you were somewhere unfamiliar and felt completely lost. Perhaps something stopped working and you needed assistance. Or maybe you simply had one small question. You knew what you wanted to say, but stayed quiet. Sometimes you may even smile and pretend everything is okay, but inside, you know that something is wrong. Many English learners experience exactly the same problem. Today, we are going to practice those moments together. We will practice asking for help from beginning to end. You will learn what to say when someone responds. You will learn what to say when things become unclear. And you will learn how to continue when conversations feel awkward. Asking for help is a complete communication skill. So, let's practice it together. First, imagine that you need help immediately. You see someone who might know the answer. You have only a few seconds before the moment disappears. Take a breath, look at the person, and speak. Try saying this: "Excuse me, could you help me? Excuse me, could you help me?" This simple sentence is enough to begin. Now imagine that you are completely lost. You can say, "I'm completely lost. I'm completely lost." Then you can add, "Any help would be really appreciated." Any help would be really appreciated. And after they help you, say, "Thank you so much. You've been very kind. Thank you so much. You've been very kind." Now, let's practice another situation. Imagine you are walking through a new area. You are not sure where you are anymore. You could say, "I think I'm on the wrong street." I think I'm on the wrong street. Now imagine that you need transportation. You can say, "I'm looking for the nearest bus stop." I'm looking for the nearest bus stop. Then ask, "Could you point me in the right direction?" Could you point me in the right direction? You can also explain that you are visiting. "I'm not from here. I'm just visiting." I'm not from here. I'm just visiting. That small detail can help the other person understand. Then you can finish politely. "Any help would be really appreciated." Any help would be really appreciated. And when they assist, then you say, "Thank you so much. You've been very kind." Thank you so much. You've been very kind. Now let's hear how a real conversation might sound. You could say, "Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you. Could you help me?" "Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you. Could you help me?" The person might answer, "Of course. Where are you trying to go?" Of course. Where are you trying to go? You explain, "I'm looking for the Mall Road." I'm looking for the Mall Road. The person may tell you that you are on the wrong street. You can respond naturally, "I thought something was wrong." I thought something was wrong. Then ask, "Could you point me in the right direction?" Could you point me in the right direction? They may give you several directions. Finally, thank them warmly. They may respond, "No problem at all. Enjoy your visit." No problem at all. Enjoy your visit. You have now completed a full conversation. You asked for help, understood the answer, and responded politely. But sometimes you may need to explain exactly what happened. So, let's practice some useful explanations. Imagine you are at the wrong place. You can say, I missed my stop, and I'm not sure where I am. I missed my stop, and I'm not sure where I am. Maybe you were meeting somebody nearby. You could explain, I was supposed to meet someone here, but I can't find the place. I was supposed to meet someone here, but I can't find the place. You could also ask, could you show me where we are on the map? Could you show me where we are on the map? Once you know your location, ask more specific questions. For example, is it within walking distance? Is it within walking distance? You might also want another option. Would it be easier to take the bus? Would it be easier to take the bus? These questions make directions much easier to understand. Now let's practice another complete situation. Sometimes you need help with very small things. Here are some useful everyday questions. You can ask, excuse me, is this seat taken? Excuse me, is this seat taken? Could you watch my bag for just a moment? Could you watch my bag for just a moment? When using a machine, ask, do you know if this machine takes cards? Do you know if this machine takes cards? At a station, you can ask, is this the right platform for the city center? Is this the right platform for the city center? If you need a bathroom, ask, do you know if there's a toilet nearby? Do you know if there's a toilet nearby? You can also ask, is there a pharmacy close to here? Is there a pharmacy close to here? And if you need someone to take a picture, sorry to ask, could you take a photo of us? Sorry to ask, could you take a photo of us? These are small requests, but they can explain things easier. Now let's talk about some more daily situations. That's so helpful. Thank you. That's so helpful. Thank you. Another warm response is, you've been so kind. Thank you. You've been so kind. Thank you. If their help made a big difference, say that makes complete sense. Thank you. That makes complete sense. Thank you. If you feel that you interrupted someone, you can say, sorry for bothering you. Sorry for bothering you. They may answer, not at all. Have a good day. Not at all. Have a good day. These expressions help conversations end naturally. They also show respect and appreciation, but sometimes the person may speak too quickly. You can ask them, sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. You can also ask, could you say that again, a little slower? Could you say that again, a little slower? I think I understand. Let me repeat it back. I think I understand. Let me repeat it back. Finally, show appreciation for their patience. Thank you for being so patient with me. Thank you for being so patient with me. That is how real English communication works. Keep practicing these sentences aloud every day. Say them until they feel natural in your mouth. The more you practice, the easier these moments become. And remember, you do not need perfect English. You only need enough English to communicate. Your goal is to stay in the conversation. So, the next time you need help, speak up and start with confidence. In the next lesson, we will practice conversations on another topic. Thank you for watching the video. Keep practicing and keep building your confidence. I'll see you in the next lesson.